Every machine that moves in a factory, a power plant, or a sawmill relies on one key professional, the millwright. If you've ever wondered how to take your mechanical skills to a national level, the Red Seal Millwright certification is your next step. It's not just another credential. It's proof that you can install, maintain, and repair complex industrial equipment to the highest standard recognized anywhere in Canada. Let's start with what being a Red Seal Millwright really means. It's part of the Red Seal program, a national system that allows certified tradespeople to work freely across provinces and territories. Once you earn your Red Seal endorsement, your ticket follows you wherever the work takes you, from a refinery in Alberta to a hydro station in British Columbia. This interprovincial mobility makes millwrighting one of the most versatile and respected mechanical trades in Canada. Now let's talk about the exam. The Red Seal Millwright exam is based on the Red Seal Occupational Standard, often called the RSOS. It's a comprehensive document that defines what every qualified millwright should know, from hydraulics and alignment to safety, rigging, and troubleshooting. The test usually contains 100 to 150 multiple choice questions, and you'll have about 4 hours to complete it. Expect scenario-based questions that challenge your ability to diagnose machinery issues, interpret blueprints, and calculate tolerances. It's not about memorizing terms, it's about understanding how mechanical systems work together in real-world settings. So how should you prepare? Start early. Most successful candidates study 3 to 6 months before writing their exam. Create a study plan that covers key sections one at a time: safety, mechanical components, lubrication, bearings, hydraulics, and precision measurement. You might also want to review power transmission, welding basics, and predictive maintenance. All topics that can appear on the exam. The goal is consistency, not cramming. A few pages or a short quiz a day can build strong exam confidence. And here's where your resources matter. At redsealstudyguide.ca, you'll find Q&A books, explanation-based study guides, and online timed tests tailored specifically for Canadian Red Seal millwrights. These materials help you understand how the questions are structured and what to focus on. The best part, they're downloadable instantly. That means you can study from your phone, tablet, or laptop whenever you have downtime, even on lunch breaks or between shifts. It's flexible, practical, and designed for tradespeople who already have busy schedules. Once you pass the Red Seal Millwright exam, new opportunities open up fast. You could move into supervisory or maintenance planning roles, specialize in industrial automation, or even start your own contracting business. Many Red Seal millwrights also go on to teach apprentices or become safety trainers within large organizations. And the financial rewards? Certified millwrights often earn higher wages and enjoy more stable employment, especially in energy, manufacturing, and construction sectors. But beyond the paycheck, there's pride. Earning your Red Seal means joining a community of highly skilled professionals who keep Canada's industries running smoothly. It shows that you care about safety, quality, and precision, the hallmarks of a true tradesperson. So if you're ready to take your mechanical career to the next level, visit redsealstudyguide.ca and start preparing with trusted Canadian materials. Your skills already move machines. Now let them move your future too.